Unpacking the phrase, a classic recipe. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that's both simple and rich in meaning, a classic recipe. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or simply love exploring language nuances, this video will provide insights into how this phrase is used in different contexts. So, let's get started. A classic recipe may seem straightforward, but it holds a deeper cultural and linguistic significance. At its core, the phrase refers to a time-tested, traditional method of preparing a dish that has been passed down through generations. The word classic implies something that has been recognized for its excellence and lasting worth. It's not just any recipe. It's one that has stood the test of time and is often associated with comfort, tradition, and quality. In different cultures, a classic recipe can evoke a sense of nostalgia and heritage. For instance, in Italian cuisine, a simple pasta al pomodoro might be considered a classic recipe. It's more than just food. It's a representation of history, family, and the essence of home cooking. This phrase also reflects the value placed on preserving traditional methods and flavors, emphasizing the importance of culinary heritage in various cultures. Interestingly, the phrase, a classic recipe, isn't limited to the culinary world. It can be used metaphorically in various contexts. For example, a writer might refer to a movie's plot as a classic recipe for a romantic comedy, indicating that it follows a traditional, well-loved format. This metaphorical use shows how language can transcend literal meanings, allowing phrases to be applied creatively in different scenarios. When learning such phrases in English, it's crucial to understand both the literal and metaphorical meanings. Try to listen for context clues in conversations or media to grasp how the phrase is being used. Also, don't hesitate to use it in your speech or writing. Experimenting with phrases in different contexts can greatly enhance your language skills. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase, a classic recipe, and its various uses in English. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about culture, history, and human connections. Keep exploring and enjoying the journey of language learning. Until next time, happy learning!